guys, Ian Marasigan for UBCC Weekly Photo Challenge Project. And guys, finally, it's week 1. Tapos na ang week 1 natin. So, here are the photos for week 1. Pero bago natin puntahan ang photos natin for week 1, may gusto lang akong i-announce na mga bagay. First announcement ay eto. Yan. It's Batangas Province Alae Festival 2011 Photo Contest. So, meron tayong 2 categories, people and place. So, banggitin ko lang yung mechanics for those who are interested. Banggitin ko yung mechanics. Open to all Filipinos and other nationalities. Batangueños may also join. Open to all professionals and amateurs. Each contestant may submit multiple entries. Okay, judging rounds cut off. First round September 28, 2011. First round October 28, 2011. First round November 28, 2011. And final round December 4, 2011. So, pwede pa kayo mag-submit ng photos hanggang November 28 pa siya. Okay, prizes. People category, grand winner, 50,000 pesos. Place category, grand winner, 50,000 pesos. Woo! Laki. 50,000. D90, isang D90 na yun, or 550D for Canon users. Registration fee, choice of, so meron dalawang registration, 200 pesos, basic registration, so yun yung basic, or 500 pesos full registration with t-shirt. So, ano ba tong photo contest na to? Well, this is to promote Batangas Province. Kailangan nyo ipakita ang ganda ng tao at lugar ng Batangas. So, for more details, pumunta na lang kayo dito sa website nila. Dito. Wait. Ayan. alaefestival.com. Diyan lang kayo pumunta sa website na yan for more details. Pero sabihin ko na yung main event contest mechanics, photo requirements. Photo must be taken from anywhere within the province of Batangas from January 2004 onwards. Take note ha, January 2004 onwards. So, yung mga old photos nyo, pwede nyo siyang i-submit, but image file must be taken with a digital camera, Digicam or SLR only. No cell phone cams. Film and scanned pictures are not allowed. So, kailangan lang ay digital. Image file must be in JPEG format and not more than 5 MB. Image must not be less than 1600 pixels in width if horizontal image, or 1600 pixels in height if a vertical image. Minor editing using a software is acceptable. So, pwede kayo mag-edit in Photoshop or Lightroom or kung ano man yung ginagamit yung pang-edit ng photo editing application. The only allowable edits are cropping, minor burning, dodging, color correction, levels, which is brightness and contrast. Filters and plugins are not acceptable. No HDR. So, it's just a simple minor editing lang talaga. So, that's the first announcement. Again, guys, for if you want to join UBCC, I'm encouraging you guys to join. Kung gusto nyo sumali, just contact me. Alam niyo naman yung number ko para masabihan natin yung nag-invite sa atin, which is si Ma'am Sal of Director of Corpcom. So, text nyo lang ako kung gusto nyo sumali. Next announcement. Sabi ko last week, di ba, wala mo ng editing. But binago na namin yon. Pero, katulad nung nakalagay dito, minor editing lang. So, color correction, cropping, and levels, brightness and contrast lang ang pwede nyong gawin. Again, Pwede na kayo mag-edit, but pwede nyo lang edit ay crop, color correction, color enhancement, levels, which is brightness and contrast, and i-allow na din namin ang black and white kasi photos really stand out kapag naka black and white. Some photos really do stand out kapag naka black and white. So for the next theme, pwede na kayo mag-edit, but tulad ng sabi ko, crop lang, some color correction, color enhancement, and brightness and contrast. Bawal maglagay ng filters for those who know how to do filters in Photoshop at saka sa Lightroom, bawal po yun. Talagang minor editing lang. So, got 2 announcements. Punta na tayo sa week 1. Yay! Palapakan nyo mga sarili nyo. Thank you, first of all, thank you muna sa mga nag-submit ng entries for week 1 entitled Inspiration. We've got a total of 8 entries out of 16. So siguro yung iba nagka-problema lang or hindi nakapag-submit on time. But still, makakahabol pa kayo. We've got many weeks ahead. Madami pang team tayo, madami pa kaming team na ibibigay sa inyo. You have a lot of chance pa, madami pa. So, sabi ko dati, pili kami ng top 5, but since 8 pa lang yung nag-submit, so we're gonna have top 4 muna and one honorable mention. So, let's go. First stop, Princess Jenny yata. This one, Princess Jenny. Flowers. Anong flowers to? Please do tell me. Nakalimutan ko anong flower to. Okay, this is my inspiration. Even though I'm not fond of flowers, I still want to capture them and also the beauty of nature. Well, maganda yung flowers, lalo na siguro kung na-enhance yung color. Maganda siya. Yung hindi ko lang, comment ko lang dito is, yung likod niya is parang naka-destructive dun sa foreground. Ang ganda ng foreground mo. Yun nga lang, ito yung tinatawag natin na hindi talaga may iwasan na may mga bagay na talagang destructive. But all in all, ang ganda ng photo. Pinakita mo yung kulay nung flower. Ang ganda ng color ng flower. Yung background lang talaga, but kung siguro kung nagbabasa kayo ng iba ng books in photography, meron talagang mga ganitong klase ng shots na may mga unavoidable na panira sa photo, but still generally ang ganda ng photo. See, ang ganda ng colors nung bulaklak. Siguro kung ina-enhance pa to, mas maganda siya. So, I would say na siguro next week, kung flowers pa din yung gusto mo, Princess Jenny, I think, pwede na tayo mag-enhance ng photo. Maganda to. Ang ganda ng composition. Good job, good job. Next, kay Annabelle. Si Mama Mary. Above all, I chose Mama Mary's image in our garden as my inspiration. Because every time I see Mama Mary and also our flowering garden, it serves as my inspiration in life, peace of mind, happiness, and content in my dreams. Upon seeing Mama Mary smiling at me, that's brought me as my inspiration in my whole life through. Wow. Well, masasabi ko lang dito sa photo na to is simple. Ang simple ng photo na to kay Annabelle. I-enlarge natin siya saglit. Maganda yung photo niya, maganda, no? Comment ko lang dito is different angle. Kuhanan natin next time ng different angle, yung hindi nakaano tong flower na to. Yung hindi niya natatakluban si Mama Mary. No, like ito. Medyo natatakluban niya si Mama Mary. Medyo nakaka-distract siya dun sa photo. So, kuhanan natin siya ng ibang angle. Guys, you have to always find your angle, para makakuha kayo ng magandang shot. And medyo nakukulangan lang ako sa photo na to kasi sabi mo flowering gardens. Medyo kulang yung flowers. Walang masyado nakitang flowers pero si Mama Mary lang. But all in all, this is your inspiration. Maganda kasi si Mama Mary yung inspiration mo, and maganda yun sa isang tao na nai-inspire siya na ni God, and good job yun. So next ay kay Kuya Rael, black and white. Sounds can't be recorded in any photographs, but it can be shown through expressions. Without any sound, the word is lifeless. I love having simple conversations with the one I love through phone call. Her voice is music to my ears, and that's my inspiration. Wow, in love si Kuya Rael, in love. This photo is, sabi ko nga kanina, may mga photos na talaga nag-i-stand out in black and white, and this is a good example of it. Ang ganda nung pagkakakuha niya. Tapos yung inedit niya yung black and white, naging simple lang siya eh. Simple lang yung photo, but as I've said before, may mga photos talaga na nag-i-stand out sa black and white. Kahit na ganito kasimple, sumasabog yung emotions. Kita yung smile dun sa mukha ng model niya. Kita mo na bumagay siya dun sa black and white eh. Bumagay siya dun sa black and white. Ang ganda ng smile, pinapakita talaga na yung conversation niya to the person on the other end of the line, it really gives her the inspiration. So, siguro ito yung gusto ni Kuya Rael, pero sino nga ba ang inspiration ni Kuya Rael? Charot. Okay, so next, kay Queenie. This one, I think this is taken sa Tagaytay. Tagaytay yata to. Even though I can't have a perfect family in my life, this doesn't stop me to live happily because I still have God in my life. I already knew my purpose in life, which is to live for God's glory. So this is another one of God's inspiration. Inspired siya talaga kay God. And maganda yung pagkakasilhouette ng photo. May kita mo dito, may kumakain, may nagtitake ng pictures, nakapost yung bata. And the foreground, the silhouette of the foreground is maganda yung pagkakasilhouette ng foreground. Although hindi natin may iwasan na yung weather yata sa Tagaytay, I think sa Tagaytay talaga to kinunan, is medyo cloudy and foggy. But all in all, ang ganda nung maganda yung pagkakasilhouette. Siguro next time buuin mo lang yung dito sa cottage na to. Cottage ba to? Dito, wag mo siyang putulin ng ganito, isama mo, binuo mo siya. But all in all, gusto ko yung pagkakasilhouette ng photo. Kita mo yung mga tao dito nag-e-enjoy sa lugar na to, So, it's talagang full of emotions. So, good job, Queenie. Next ay kay Mick. Wow. Staged ba to? I mean, parang hindi mo mahalatang stage, Kasi yung emotion nung dalawa niyang subject was tunay. Crazy little thing called friendship. They are crazy, but they are my inspiration. In every click of my camera, they bring the best smile. No one knows the world camera shy. What they know is the craziness in front of me, capturing the moment when they start to smile. Their words of encouragement in every picture that I take made me feel like a professional photographer. So, dito sa photo na to, ang gamit nga pala ni Mick ay katulad ng most of you guys ay digital cam. It's a point and shoot. Pero hindi niyo naman kailangan ng fancy camera para makuhanan yung isang bagay na nag-i-inspire talaga sa inyo tulad nito. Mick's inspiration is yung friends niya. At being a former engineering student and naging kaklase ko din yung iba dito, talagang crazy ang IE, ang batch ni Namek. May inspire ka talaga sa kanila kung makakasama mo sila. Masarap silang kasama. And dito na lang sa photo na to, pinapakita na lang dito how lively ang mga friends niya. Hindi mo talaga mahalatang stage talaga to, candid. Ang ganda kasi nung reaction, nung subject. Good job, me. Next, kay Elaine Badales. Ang aking inspirasyon ay ang aking ate at bunsong kapatid. Ang simpleng ngiti at lambing ay sapat na para mapawi ang pagod at makalimutan ang lungkot. Sapat na para maramdaman mong mapalad ka sa pamilyang mayroon ka. Wow. Wow lang talaga ako sa photo na to kasi this is a simple photo pero yung emotion dun sa photo and plus itong comment niya is pinapakita niya talaga how she loves her family and her ate na bunsong kapatid. The kiss talagang, I mean, this is full of emotions. Talagang sinasabi niya na mahal niya yung kapatid niya, na hindi niya pinipili kung sino yung family niya. This is a great photo of inspiration talaga. I'm speechless sa photo na to. I'm speechless talaga. Next, kay Marco. Ang aking ina, ang lola ko. Minsan darating ang araw na iiwan ka ng taong mahal mo. Masakit man isipin pero kailangan mong tanggapin. Madrama po talaga si Marco, but still, her lola yung inspiration niya. Tama naman si Marco. Hindi naman natin talaga maaalis na may aalis. Okay. Na may aalis sa ating tao, na may mawawala. And kaya naman, kung may paraan para makasama mo siya habang buhay, gagawin mo. Pero ang tangi ko lang naisip na paraan ay ang pagkuha ng mga larawan. Photos last forever. It would last forever, guys. Yung ipakita mo na lang, yung simpleng photo na mariremember mo yung tao, na miss mo na siya kahit wala na siya, sa photo lang matingnan mo, makita mo siya dun sa photo na yun, okay ka na eh. So good job, Marco. Simple photo pero photo should really have the emotion, and Marco and Elaine, pinakita nila yung emotion na yun. Good job sa inyong dalawa. And kay Mr. Chris Keano, kay VP, enlarge natin siya. Wait lang. It's a product photography. So guys, this is one sample of a product photography. The lighting was, if I'm not mistaken, this is a flashlight, an LED from above. This is one good example, guys, ng creativity. And this was shot with his EOS 550D, his most prized possession. Itong photo na to, napahanga na ako dito sa photo na to nung kinuna niya to. Matagal na niya to pinakita sa akin, and napahanga niya talaga ako dito sa photo na to with the lighting pa lang from above. And talagang kita mo yung shine, pag stand out nung diamonds dun sa relo and dun sa ring. This is masasabi natin na for a magazine. This is for a magazine na, no? Ang ganda ng lighting. Simple lighting lang yan, hindi po yan flash. I think that's just an LED light coming from above. Ang ganda ng photo, maganda siya. Na I've got nothing more to say sa photo na to. Alam na ni Buddy yun. and he is really an exceptional photographer of UBCC. He's one of the best ng UBCC. And so let's go on with the top 4. Top 4. Who are the top 4 winners? May isa pa pala akong announcement, guys. So, di ba pipili ako ng top 4? Sa top 4 na yon, pipili ako ng top 1, the best photo, which will be printed. I think that's an 8R size yung ipaprint namin. So, top 4, number 1 is kay Kuya Rael. So, you know my comment, the photo really stood out kasi dahil yung black and white, yung pagkaka black and white, and the smile na binigay ng model niya. That's why I chose this for the top 4. Next ay kay Mick, the beauty of friendship. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa photo na to. Friends really do inspire you to do something na hindi mo nagagawa before, hindi mo akalaing magagawa mo, pero dahil dun sa friends mo yon, kaya mo pala. Next ay kay Elaine, the simplicity of the photo and the emotion, the love na pinakita niya, na pinapakita niya dun sa family niya, especially dun sa ate niya sa photo na to, is just exceptional. This is top 3. And top 4 kay Marco. Photos will last forever, guys. Hindi man maglast yung kinuhanan, it's the way life is, it's nature, pero photos will last forever. And dito sa photo na to, pinakita ni Marco kung bakit siya nagpupursige sa pag-aaral niya, and kung bakit niya gustong magkuha ng photos. And guys, sa top 4 na yun, good job on these photos. Hindi ko na ina-expect na ganito kaganda yung mga i-submit nyo, and mapapaganda pa natin to in the future. Ang tip ko lang sa inyo is just keep shooting, keep thinking kung ano yung gusto nyong mangyari, kung ano yung gusto nyong ma-achieve na photo. Keep your inspiration burning, keep the fire burning, ika nga. Huwag kayong magsasawa na mag-take ng photos, guys. Hindi nyo malalaman kung anong madidiscover nyo, tulad sa description ni Buddy. This belongs to my first set of photos when I got my DSLR. Tuwing nakikita ko ang photo na to, na-inspire ko. Kasi yun yung mga panahon na marami ako nadidiscover ng mga bagay sa photography. Madami talaga, guys. Hindi kayo makaka-discover ng iba pang shots, angles, or creativity kung hindi kayo magte-take ng photos. So, just keep shooting. Keep those creativity burning. Keep the passion burning. Especially. Good job, guys. I salute you guys. And the next team will be created or will be moderated by our VP, which is one of the special mentions. This is his photo. This is included in the special mention. So good job, guys. Ang gaganda ng photos na to. You really showed me your inspiration. Thank you guys for participating, and hopefully next week we'll see you guys next week for the next UBCC weekly photo challenge project. Thanks, guys, and